everyone. I just wanted to wish you all a very Merry Christmas from here on my Courtney's Lens channel. I've had so much fun. I'm starting this channel this year and growing it just a little bit, and I can't wait to see where it takes me next year. I just don't want us to forget the reason for this Christmas season, and that is Jesus Christ being born as a baby so that he could die for our sins and that we could be forgiven and live with him eternally one day. I'm so thankful for that and the precious gift that he is, and I don't want us to forget that it's our job to make room for him in our hearts and prepare him room in our lives. Do not forget to hug your family members close this year and tell them that you love them, because you never know what tomorrow holds. You never know what life will be like around this time next year. So hug your family members tight. Make sure that your life is centered with the will of God and that everything in your life lines up with his. I hope you all have a very Merry Christmas. I love you all.